Welcome kids. Today we are going to learn about paint. Introduction to MS Paint. Paint is a software program that helps us to draw and color pictures on the computer. We can draw a picture of tree, hut, river, etc. and color them using the paint program. Opening a paint. First, we click Start, then Windows Accessories, then Paint. The paint window appears. It has two main parts. Ribbon. It contains the tools and other options you can draw with. Drawing area. It is the area where you draw. Let us learn about some tools in Paint. Pencil tool. We can use the pencil tool to draw freehand lines. In the Tools group, click the Pencil tool. In the Colors group, click Color 1 and choose a color from the Colors box. Click the Size button and then select a thickness for the line. Now drag the mouse to draw the required shape. Now we will use the brush tool. Click the drop down arrow under brushes. Click the artistic brush that you want to use. In the Colors group, click Color 1 and choose a color. Drag the mouse to draw a shape. Let's know about Fill with Color tool. Click the Fill with Color tool. Click Color 1 and choose a color. Bring the pointer inside the shape. Click the mouse. The color will be filled inside the shape like that. If you want to draw rectangles and squares, use the Rectangle tool. Click the Rectangle tool. Drag the mouse to draw a rectangle. Let's use the Text tool. In the Tools group, click the Text tool. Click inside the drawing area where you want to insert the text. In the Colors group, click Color 1 and select the desired color for the text. Now type the text like that. If you make mistakes, you can use the eraser tool. Click the eraser tool. Drag the pointer over the area where you want to erase. If you want to change size of the eraser, click on the size button to select the eraser size, like that. Drag the pointer over the area that you want to erase, like that. Now we will save our drawing. Click the file, save. The Save As dialog box appears. Select the drive and the folder to save the drawing. Select the folder. New folder. In the file name box, type a file name. Click the Save button. If you want a fresh start, then click the file, New. To exit from Paint, click the file, Exit.